welcome back to another Cactus Minute. In today's episode we are having a look at a Rebutia. Now I don't actually know the exact type because this particular one did not come with a label. However, it has these incredibly rich red flowers, absolutely beautiful. I can't stop staring at it. So this particular guy grows into sort of a clumping and offsetting form. It does have prickles, although they're very short, so not exactly highly likely to sting you. And the flowers are very interesting. They sort of forge their way through and then they just sort of erupt out. It's this incredible lava color. Now I don't edit my videos in terms of color saturation or anything like that, so what you're seeing is exactly how they look. Really beautiful. In terms of the difficulty level for this particular cactus, they are incredibly easy to grow, so definitely beginner friendly. So in terms of the scale, I'd probably put this at around a 2 to a 3. Very easy going. They'll take full sun, they'll take shade, they'll take a little water, or they'll take a lot of water. There is a possibility of rotting them, but look, that applies to pretty much all cacti, but the likelihood for this particular one is quite low. The flowers don't have a scent, but they more than make up for that with their incredible color. Like, that is absolutely mind-blowingly beautiful. Now I've got this guy growing in an 80-20 mix, so 80% gravel to 20% organic matter, although you could safely and easily grow this with varying percentages, anywhere from a 50-50 all the way up to a 90-10, and I think you'd have a great deal of success. As I said earlier, it will take full sun, it'll also take part shade as well, so incredibly easy going and very striking. So I like this guy in particular because he has year-round interest. I think the body form is incredibly interesting, and then you have this amazing color which I just cannot get over. Now during winter I do stop watering and the body will become very soft, and then it'll just plump back up, and these plump back up quite quickly as well. Temperature range it'll take right down to freezing, and then all the way up to sort of high 40s and 50s, and that's in Celsius. But overall, incredibly beautiful cactus, easy to grow. It will flower from a young age, so it is from the Rebutia family. Unfortunately, I can't tell you exactly what type it is, but there's always Google for that. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye!